In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view account access history logs in Shopify. This is really useful if you want to keep your store secure and see exactly which devices have accessed your account. Maybe you're working with a team, or you just want to double check that there aren't any unfamiliar logins. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know where to find this information and how to use it to protect your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in the main admin area, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon along with your store name. Click on that icon to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, choose your account option, which appears just above the Log Out button. This will take you to your Shopify account settings in a new page or tab. On this new page, focus on the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different sections related to your account. From this list, click on Security. This is where Shopify groups everything related to your login, passwords, and device history. After you click Security, the main part of the page will update. Scroll down until you find the Devices section. This is the key area for viewing your access history. Here, Shopify shows you a list of devices that are currently logged into your Shopify account. For each device, you'll see a few important details. You'll see the browser and device type, for example, something like Chrome on Windows, or Safari on iPhone, or a similar combination. You'll also see the date and time of the login, so you can check whether the timing makes sense based on your own activity. In addition, Shopify shows you an approximate location, usually based on the IP address, such as a city or region. This helps you quickly spot anything that looks unusual or out of place. If you notice a device you don't recognize, or if you simply want to clean things up for security, you have control here. Shopify gives you the option to log out individual devices, which is helpful if you only want to remove one specific session. You'll also see an option to log out all devices at once, which is a great step if you think your account might have been compromised or you've logged in on public or shared computers. That's all you need to do to view and manage your account access history logs in Shopify.